So we'll definitely make sure we've got those wardens there. This is from the Best Foundation. Check that out, eh? Okay. Sure, boys, come on.
Oh, I found my papa. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And I was cleaning them up and I stood on a bloody needle. Oh.
We just done some things in the neighbourhood for our community. I'm just going to go do some training. I want to do some good high training. It's a beautiful day, eh? Good day for it, mate. Beautiful day in Auckland City. It's a bit more like it, eh? Prefer the city when it's like this. Gorgeous day. Gym time. Man, it was so worth it. Good workout.